Hello brother, this is Gary from Brother Automation. Now let me show you our factory to you, okay? We focus on the USB cable soldering machine more than 15 years. And now this is our latest version. You can find the soldering machine, we have two versions. The blue one is our overseas version. We have the English system inside, okay? This version we already have shipped to many countries like India, Pakistan, Vietnam, and Turkey, okay? This is our overseas version. And this one is only for the China market, the blue color, okay? It's only for the China market. All the machine we will assemble in this workshop and be well tested before shipping. So far, we have already set up the service center in India and Pakistan.
哟，咱这些拍到了。